Hey buddy, today in this video we'll show you how you can make butter garlic butterfly shrimp, and we're going to be using Seapak, and anybody can make it really quick in the air fryer. And let's get started. We're going to need 4 tablespoons of salted butter, and we're going to put it in the microwave real quick. Okay, we're going to put it in for 20 seconds and we'll be back. Okay, we have our melted butter here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add half tablespoon of garlic powder. And then stir it all together. Now we're going to open this up real quick. We'll be cooking around 12 butterfly shrimps. Before we marinate the butterfly shrimp, we're going to preheat the air fryer first. We're going to turn on the air fryer and set it to shrimp. And this is 320 for 8 minutes, but we're going to be cooking it for 6 minutes. While it's preheating, we're going to marinate the shrimp now. What you're going to do is you're going to marinate the shrimp by dipping it into the garlic butter. And the last one. We're going to add some parmesan cheese. Okay, the air fryer has been preheated. Now we're going to put in the shrimp. Make sure they're spread out. Now we're going to put it in for 320 degrees for 6 minutes. And we'll be back. The butterfly shrimp is ready, and now we're going to take them out. Looking good. Smells really good too. I can smell the butter. Okay, let's take them out real quick. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit more of grated parmesan cheese. And we're set. And this is how you can make butter garlic butterfly shrimp from Seapak. Give it a try. It's really delicious. And it's super fast and easy to make in the air fryer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Thanks for watching. If you would like to see more content on food and travel, product reviews, recipes, and more, subscribe to support our channel. Thanks!